I say, is we rolling? I think we might be. What's going on, y'all? It's Roadside Rider. And of course, I'm on the side of the interstate. It's a busy one too, man. It's Friday, it's a beautiful day. Traffic is going. And I got this steer tire that's blown on this wheel that I'm about to change. This ain't gonna take long at all. We're gonna knock this out real quick, real easy. We're gonna be safe with it. Just bear with me, man, I got you. This the tire I'm putting on now. He gonna get that Black Hawk Low Pro 22.5 steer tire. Come on, bro, it ain't gonna get no easier than this. Let me go on and crank it up. Go on and get to it so we can get him moving and I can take my black self home. This job is gonna officially start in 3, 2, 1, let's go. I want to get my line up here real quick. Where are my pliers? There they go. I thought I had them left them at the other job I was just at. Golly, boy. Gonna get my 20-ton semi-truck jack. Me and the driver, we finna work together and make this thing happen, man. Y'all out there. Make sure that joker tight. Cut your wheel all the way to the left. Crank it. There you go. Just hold it. Y'all might not be able to see and hear that good. I'm trying to make sure you can. If it don't look good in post-production, I'm gonna go and edit it out. You know what I mean? Y'all see where I got that jack? It's time to go up, baby. Straighten your wheel up. Hold it right there. Let's go. See that tire coming off the ground? We going up, baby. We going up, baby. We got action. We coming up in the world. I'm looking at my jack to make sure it's still stable, making sure it ain't rolling, making sure it ain't curving or nothing. As if it turns too much, that joker gonna shoot out, it's gonna drop. It ain't gonna hurt me or nothing because I'm away from it, but you just don't want that. You wanna make sure, like you see how that piece is turning out a little bit at the end? You can see it edging out. We still good, we ain't even halfway off. We good, that should be high enough. My jack should be good to go. I'm gonna go in and take it off. Now he got aluminum wheels on now. And if you're good at what you're doing with them aluminum wheels, you can change the tire on the truck. However, he got some stuff behind the wheel that I wanna clean off or make sure that I get. So I'm gonna take that joker off the truck. My tire man know what I'm talking about changing the tire on the truck. And if you ever seen any of my videos, well, I ain't gonna say any. If you go back and look at the videos on my channel, there are some videos where I changed truck tires with them still on the vehicle. I think I did a trailer, and it should be a blue semi-truck up on my channel right now. But we ain't doing it this time. Let's get it. Let me turn my compressor off real quick, like. On top of that, I'm gonna get a rug so I can lay that aluminum wheel down. Anytime you're doing semi-truck tires, it ain't even gotta be semi-truck tires. You doing tires and you got an aluminum wheel, chrome wheel, you don't wanna scratch it, lay it on a rug or a mat, you know what I'm saying? I don't know if y'all noticed, there's a lot of cars been getting off this exit. This exit used to be slow, it used to be quiet until they put the Buc-ee's up there. I don't know if y'all see that Buc-ee sign. I'm gonna zoom in on it. Once they put that Buc-ee's on there, everybody wanna go look at him. He can't help himself. Everybody wanna go. And I just wanna go home, so let me go on and get back to this. I don't even need that hammer, I just grabbed it for no reason. Just a force of habit. Ooh, that joker was through, boy. Hold on, y'all, let me fix my earbuds. Oh, don't do me like that. Hold on. We ain't doing that. We ain't doing that. Not on this Friday, we ain't. Remember, players mess up too. Easy. Pro tip, most of these aluminum wheels, they valve stand's gonna be 16. 16 mil gonna get them every time. Most of them. It's tight enough. Let's go on with this new tire. Matter of fact, let me wipe that wheel off just in case. One more rag. I don't think there's anything on this wheel, but I just want to wipe it off. I just want to wipe it down, you know what I'm saying? All right, new tire time, let's go. I know I usually do it and I ain't do it that time, man, but shout out to that lube, dog. That lube was perfect. I can slide you up out your house with that one. I'm talking about that lube was perfect, bro. It don't get no more better. Watch me work. Watch me work, like I was saying. Before I throw that on, let me get the rubber from back here, make sure ain't nothing else back there. But that top blowout, it go all kind of ways. You can tell all kind of stuff up back there and everything. A lot of people would think this is a recap, but it's not. Virgin tires do the same thing too, where the tread comes straight off. Just depending on the situation on how they blew out. Look at that. I don't know where they flap go. You don't want this, do you? Make sure ain't nothing else back here. Is we good? We is good. Let's get it. How easy was that? Walk him in there real slow. If you notice, I didn't put air in it yet. Come on. I didn't put air in it yet because I didn't want to jack it up anymore because of how that jack was doing. But we're going to get it on now, though. We on there now. We on there now. Let me cut my air compressor on. We're gonna tighten that tire down, air it up, and get on somewhere. See how easy the thing can be when you know what you're doing. When you got the right tools for the job. No matter how big it may seem, no matter how crazy the situation may seem, we can make easy work out of this thing, you feel me? That's cause you ready. I'm gonna let it jet build up air a little bit. While it does that, I'm gonna put my tools up. What do I need from right here? Okay. Don't tell nobody I just threw that in now. My house should be built up in a few seconds. What I tell you? You heard that breath? That's what I call this breath. It's time to go. Again, NASCAR. Is you ready? Let's get it. I'm gonna jack it up just a little bit. That's what I needed right now. Let me grab my cheetah tank. We finna blast this joker and get on. I'm done with my gun. I said it's cheetah time. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna clip it on my tank right there. That joker gonna hit every time, man. My man, turn your wheel all the way to the left. Hold it right there. We're gonna let that jack down while the tires airing up. Yeah, I like the little working system I got going, huh? If you do, let me know. If you don't, you feel like you're doing better, shoot, let me know that too, because I might want to get some info from you. Or just let my jack come down. I ain't even gotta lay on the ground, man. Straighten your wheel up. Let me check the air pressure. You good? Yeah, 50 pounds. That's good enough for me to go on and put my tools up. I'm gonna put in about 105 in that tire. I need that. I don't need this. No wasted movements, baby. No wasted motions. Everything ready together. I'm gonna come grab that tire once I get finished. And before I leave, I'm gonna load that tire on my truck. We got 80. $95. The traffic is coming. Okay, I think I should be good. I don't think he about to get off. That joker look good on that, don't it? Like new. You can't even tell you done had a blowout on it, huh? $105. It's time to ride, bro. Ladies and gentlemen, ladies, boys, girls, children of all ages, that was a success. I thank y'all for coming on the job with me. I'm gonna go in and put my tools and stuff up, but I'm gonna go in and cut my camera off. I'm out of here, man. I'm gone.